Today is National Crab Rangoon Day. Why? Anybody who's heard of Crab Rangoon probably thinks immediately of Trader Vic's. So today I thought I'm gonna make Trader Vic's Crab Rangoon in honor of Trader Vic's and my wife who loves the recipe. Welcome to Trader Vic's. All I need is a Mai Tai or some other tropical drink. Here you go. Nice and crispy. You gotta serve them while they're hot. Now, traditionally they were served with Chinese hot mustard or a sweet and sour red Chinese sauce. But I figured we can update it a little bit, and I have a sweet Thai chili sauce because that's really good too. It's creamy, it's fatty, it's fried, it's sweet, it's hot. What more do you want? Damn, that's good.